What's up, guys? I'm back and we're doing more physics today. Yay. Isn't my channel always about physics? Whatever. So, yeah, let's do it. We're doing Kalda again. Kalda's meant to be like really difficult. So, like, I don't. The thing is, like, I actually spent like 30 of these questions already. So, yeah, it's not really that bad. Yeah, so a cannon is situated at the origin of a coordinate axis, and you can give an initial velocity of VO to the particle shooting in any direction that can be chosen at will. So any direction meaning like any theta. So let's say I shoot it high up, or I shoot it like this, or I shoot it like this, or I shoot it like this. What is the region of space R that the projectile can reach? Okay, so let's literally just draw this out. Like, what are all the possible scenarios, right? So let's say I shoot it up very high, and it's gonna fall back down, right? It's gonna be a straight line. Let's say I shoot it at a little steeper angle, and it's just fall back down. Let's do a less steep angle now. Fall back down. Let's just say 45 degrees at this point. Let's just shoot the bull. Shoot the gun, not the bull. I learned that from Catcher in the Rye, shooting the bull. Yeah, I guess it's just been in my head now. That's gonna be our maximum angle, right? Because the range is maximized at 45, and we're gonna have like all of these little projectiles too, right? And it's gonna be the same thing for the other side. Could I just copy and can I mirror this? I'm lazy. I don't want to do it. Or whatever. I'll do it. Right? And what shape does it remind you of? Yeah, it's like just a circle. It's literally just a circle. It's a semicircle. That's pretty cool, right? And basically, the problem is asking what is the region of space that the projectile can reach? So, how are we going to be able to characterize this space? This we're going to call this R. How are we going to characterize this? Yeah, we're gonna get started, and I'm gonna start with this equation. There are definitely many ways to do this. I saw a derivation where someone did it with just like literally just like the parabola equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. It was super cool. I think I might post that later, but I like this one because I actually did this one when I first saw the question. Sorry, it's not sine, it's cosine. Boom. That's our projectile equation. And what we're gonna do is we want to solve for, well, we want to make this a quadratic in terms of theta, right? Because it's going to change theta. Through all the projectile shots, the only thing that changed was theta, and everything else was dependent. So we want to write everything in terms of theta. But the issue is that we have one of them in tan and one of them in cosine term. So I think I want to do everything in tan. I think it's easier because you can get this trig identity, which is this, and yeah, you literally just plug it in. I want to do it in terms of tan. Obviously, there's a lot of ways to do this, but I'm gonna do it in terms of tan. Yeah, so we have x tan theta. Yo, I swear, if I get good enough at this, like I'm gonna be able to match Khan Academy on like the computer writing level. Like think about it, cause like they only like write with the mouse, and they're like really good at it. But like I'm like just starting out, honestly. I usually do things on paper. But I don't own like a hand cam or like my phone has like really low storage. So yeah. Okay. So we've put this in and we're gonna distribute it. Honestly, I'm just gonna copy and paste this part. Okay, right? Because if you distribute to the one, it's gonna be already be that. And then we're going to distribute to tan theta. Tan theta. I think it's a minus here. Actually, maybe. Minus, yeah, tan theta squared. Tan squared theta. Bang. Okay, and now I'm going to rearrange this equation just a little bit. Just to get into the normal quadratic equation that they teach you in school. Yeah. Basically, what I want to do here is, you know how like in a normal quadratic equation, you're going to do like the like x, like 5x squared plus like 6x plus like 6? Yeah. Instead of using x, I'm gonna replace it with tan. And then x is a constant, so it's okay to do that. I'm gonna replace it with tan. So I have tan squared theta and tan, and then just c. Like how I had x squared theta and x, but this time it's just with tan. Okay. And these are gonna be my coefficients. And yeah. Okay. So in order to actually solve the question, I want a region of space that I can reach, which means that it's able to exist. And in order for the quadratic solution to be like existing, the discriminant has to be greater or equal to 0. Because if I have a negative discriminant, then I'm gonna take a square root of a negative number in the quadratic formula, and then I'm gonna get an imaginary solution. So this condition is very important. I'm actually gonna box it. So yeah, we would like our quadratics in equal to 0 form. I don't know if that's actually the form. I don't know. That's what my teacher calls it. We like our quadratics like this, and we are going to move it here. Subtract this, and then if we put this in parentheses, we can just do add this. And this is our constants. Okay. So what is a discriminant? The discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. That is the entire thing. And we just need to make sure that this is greater than 0. So how we're going to solve this greater than 0? Where's b? B is going to be x squared minus 4. That's really bad. I'm never catching up to Khan Academy. Sal Khan is like my go. Oh my god. His one thing was very good. I liked it. Except like there's like some stupid like lessons, honestly, that I don't believe in. Like one of them was like inertial mass and gravitational mass. I was doing it during English class. I'm like, what is the difference between these? Why does this matter? They're all mass. What are you talking about? Ugh. What else? Oh, yeah, x tan, yeah, which is x 2v squared plus y. Yeah. Oh, wait. If we distribute it, oh, it's minus y. Yeah, if we distribute, I don't know why I took it out. I don't know why. Let's do that instead. Oh, wait, that's a line tool. Oh, shoot. No, no. No, stop it. What the hell is that? What? Okay. It's fine. We keep it pushing. So it's gonna end up negative, and oh, we need to set the entire thing um greater than 0. Forgot. Here we go. So it's gonna still end up negative because you know 3 of them. Um, yeah, 3 negatives. So 4, you know, 4gx squared all over v squared. We're gonna be 2 instead. This is just algebra. Just yeah, there's a lot of algebra in physics. It's pretty annoying. I wish there's a simpler way. There is a simpler way, but that one's no fun because there's no like physics in it. It's just do random stuff. Or it's not random stuff. It's like just using ax squared plus bx plus c. But there's no physics in that. So yeah, greater than 0. So we're gonna do x squared minus um 2g squared x to the 4 all over 2v04. Bang. Can't. Oh, shoot. Forgot the y. Uh-oh. We're going to. It's just this term, right? Just this term. Put the over on it. Put the over on it. And we're going to add it. And then put the y here. And what we're going to do is solve for y after this mess. I got hurried up, man. YouTube doesn't give me more than 15 minutes to post my videos. pretty annoying, honestly. Yeah. Okay, and we're gonna do this, this. This is all first take, by the way. Low key. I'm kind of cooking. If it was actually no, if I was cooking, I'd be like on pace way more. Huh? What the hell is that? What is that circle? Oh, it's the circle from that guy. Oh my God, I'm not on pace anymore. Screw the circle. Okay, here we go. Now we x squared minus this term, x term, yeah, this term is gonna be greater than or equal to this term. Yippee. And that means x squared. I really have to hurry it up. Hopefully YouTube. I don't know. They have to verify me or something. I don't know how to get verified. They also won't let me make thumbnails anymore too. They're like, no, you need identification or you need to be an active member for 2 months. And like, I am an active member. Like, I make videos all the time to procrastinate homework, obviously, but that's besides the point. Yeah, but like, at least I'm like productively procrastinating, right? Like, I don't want to do biology, but at least I'm doing physics. I'm gonna fail that final. Oh my God. And then next year I'm gonna have AP exams. Oh, it's gonna go horribly. See the funniest thing ever too, though. Times VO squared. If I go over the time limit, I'm going to post a part two. Yeah. VO squared all over 2G1 minus G. Oh, maybe I can do it in time, actually. I think I'll do it in time. Yeah. Wait, I'm Loki the go for that. Hold up. Okay. So this is gonna get canceled, and this is gonna get canceled too. So think about it. If this gets canceled, we're gonna be left with this term, gx squared. This is gonna get canceled. We're still gonna have VO 2VO squared goes to y. And that is our answer. Yay. And we did it. Jaan Kalda, it's a lot of algebra. There's an other solution. I will probably post that. I'll probably do it exactly after this. You know? So yeah, hit like if you liked. Don't hit like if you didn't. Subscribe if you want to. Don't subscribe if you don't want to. I low-key need it cause like they won't let me make more thumbnails. Like I made like six thumbnails and like no, you can't make any more thumbnails. I'm like, why? It's just physics. Oh my God, man. So yeah, I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye bye.